What's up YouTube? It's Miss Tiff Dance here, back with another video, and today I am going to be wrapping a gift basket to be kind to someone who is going to be staying with me for a little bit, and I want to make them feel at home. I want to make them feel welcome, so I'm going to show you what I thought would be a good idea to have in the basket to, you know, try to cater to them, make sure they feel cool, make sure they feel good, and you know, having a home away from home just for a little bit, just for a while. So stay tuned. Mind you, I got things from 4 different places. I went to Bed Bath & Beyond. I went to the dollar store. I went to the Family Dollar, and I also went to Whole Foods. Okay, so one of the things I think is that people like to snack on things. So I stopped at Whole Foods, where I got a little brownie and a bottle of Italian soda, because you know, when you see gift baskets, it's something about having a little treat or a little something to eat that is appealing to you and pleasing in the mind. So I thought that would be a good touch in a basket. Also, little things like toothpaste, toothbrush, mouthwash. These are things that you're going to need every day, or I hope you need every day. Or maybe that's a hint saying, please use them every day, because I don't want to smell your breath. Anyway, something that I notice when I'm at work or different places, people don't have enough lotion. So I got a little thing of lotion, disinfectant wipes, hint, hint. Make sure you're cleanly. Maybe this is a little cleanly reminder right here. So thought this would be nice to go in the bag. I also stopped at Bed Bath & Beyond and got a few things. So these are some of the things that I got from Bed Bath & Beyond. Oh, and since a female, some time of the month criteria necessary business. So you just never know. Obviously it's going to be a female because I got her some of these. Some skin, bath, and body care products. I think gloves make you feel good. You know, these are the things that you bypass, those little things that you bypass and you say, oh, I'll get them next time, or I won't get them at all. I said, hey, why not add this charcoal infused exfoliating bath glove. So another thing that I got was some towels. And I feel like, you know, everybody wants some fresh towels. Nobody wants to be bathing with somebody else's washed towels. I think this is just a nice touch. I think I remember Oprah saying that every time someone stays at her house, she gives them a fresh bar of soap. And I kept a mental note of that. Do I have a fresh bar of soap? No, but that is something that I need to go out and get, because I think that is another great addition to making somebody feel welcomed in your home. So I got these cute pink towels so that they can have first dibs on a good fresh wash. And then I just have my gift bag bow that I'm going to wrap the basket in. With a woman, sometimes, I know me personally, I lose my combs. So I got her a comb, and in case she, you know, loses it or can't find it. And that's gonna be my basket, you guys. So I'm gonna wrap it up. Oh yeah, another tip, you guys, is to make sure that you look around your house for things that you don't want. And one man's trash is another man's treasure, as they say. So in this case, I found some unused, brand new hand sanitizer. I have tons of it because of COVID. They was giving it out for free. This is a nice addition to add in a gift bag. Also, some toilet tissue, not toilet tissues, what do you call these? Pocket tissues. People, when you have that unexpected cough and stuff comes out your nose in your car, you search in your dashboard for napkins. It's happened to me a million times. You have nothing but a hand and a shirt, and it's gross. So instead, give them a little pack of tissues to have in the car just for those in case purposes, or for whatever use at home, but they do come in handy. So these are great additions that are free that I found around my house that I'm going to add into the bag. You know what? How about I get a candle Smells really good. Scents are a really good thing to welcome somebody in a home, making sure that their home smells good, creates a certain ambiance for your house. It is a fact. And I said, hey, why not a candle? This is something else that is unused and I have in my home. However, the downside of that is, do I want to risk the fact that they may fall asleep and burn my house down? No. So I'm going to say no to the candle and probably stop and pick up maybe a Glade plug-in would be better. But since I don't have it, I want to get this basket out today. It doesn't have to be perfect. I can also have the Glade plug-in plugged in when they walk in. But these little things are things that my mother used to do when we used to have guests stay at our house when I was younger, and I find that a lot of times nobody is really being hospitable anymore. So we're bringing hospitality back, because in this day and age, people need to feel good. When you feel good, when you look good, you feel good. When you feel good, you do good. So I can't help somebody look good, but I can definitely help them to make them feel good. And hopefully that's what this basket does. So I'm gonna package it right now, okay? So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start with my bag. I'm just going to put this down. This one is the one where it has no bottom. And just start putting things inside. There's no specific rhyme or reason of where I'm placing things. Everything has to go, and it takes 2 seconds. And stand things up, it's great. The things that stand, you know, like the toothpaste, the comb, and things like that, that is cool. You want to try to make things as presentable as possible. Presentation means a lot. I am going to put this somewhere else, and I'll show you in a second. I'm just gonna fold it up, and see, that's what I said, you know, things fall, but it's okay. Just having it reach back up and standing them up, okay? And you want to pack it as tight as possible to make it look, and have everything facing. You don't want anything to look, you want it to look nice, like a regular gift basket. No, you didn't pay $50 for it, or making it yourself, and you want it to look nice. And this is so easy, you guys. I am not the most neatest, perfectionist type of person, you know, but I do have a warm heart, and I like making other people feel amazing. The thought of it is going to be like, oh my goodness, this is so nice. And that's all that we really ultimately want. And you just want to kind of stick it right there. So it's going to greet them when they walk through the door. I like little positive messages. And with this, I'm just going to go directly to the source. I'm going to go directly to the source and just have it out. Oh, don't want to put the tag on there, but just have it right there so it looks nice and beautiful. Hey, got towels right there. You don't have to worry about getting towels, you know? So these are just like little touches and things you can do. Yesterday was National Random Acts of Kindness Day, so I did my part in trying to make someone feel special today. And that's pretty much it. Here's my gift basket, and it's ready to go. It's nothing special, but it's the thought that counts. And you will learn the little things that you do that you might not think matter. Even if it's something as small as giving somebody some toothpaste, it may matter to somebody because they might not have anybody doing anything. So kindness doesn't hurt, whether they need it or not. It's something that we all can benefit from. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you like this video, share with a friend, and share your comments. Is there a random act of kindness that you do? What do you think about this gift basket idea for a guest that's going to be staying with you for a little while? All right, thank you for watching. Make sure you stay tuned for the next video. Bye.